So what is voice VLAN? Okay, the voice VLAN is where the QoS policies are applied in order to prioritize this traffic to send it through the LAN. The voice traffic is always distinguished from the data traffic on the LAN. What is voice VLANs for? Voice VLAN is configured to carry voice traffic. Voice VLANs are mostly given transmission priority over other types of network traffic. Communication over the network is not complete without phone calls. More calls are made over the network than other forms of message transmissions. Sending emails and text messages are also forms of interrelations, but listening to a real voice provides legitimacy and assurance. Principal voice VLAN features. The voice VLAN feature enables access ports to carry IP voice traffic from an IP phone. It is a common and recommended practice to separate voice and data traffic by using VLANs. Another feature is that provides a solid security boundary, preventing that application from reaching the voice traffic. Voice VLAN setup. How does the switchport voice VLAN command work? This command has dual functionality. It is used to indicate to a telephone connected to the switch, which is the voice VLAN by means of CDP. It works in conjunction with the switchport access VLAN X command, assign the VLAN for PC if it is connected behind the phone. If you use the voice VLAN command, it is a trunk. This assignment is definitely a trunk, unless you use switchport voice VLAN.
We see that the command shows that it has the voice and data VLAN assigned. Can you see Fast Ethernet 03 show a spanning tree interface, but the trunk port does not appear? Maybe it refers to not being a trunk.
What is a management VLAN? A management VLAN is any VLAN you configure to access the management capability of a switch. You configure management VLAN is to be assigned with an IP address and subnet mask. Any of a switch VLAN could be configured as the management VLAN. If you hasn't configured, define a unique VLAN to serve as the management VLAN. In some cases, a network administrator proactively defines VLAN 1 as the management VLAN. This enables a loophole for an unauthorized connection to a switch.
Difference between voice and management VLAN. Voice VLANs are mostly given transmission priority over other types of network traffic, and management VLAN is mostly over data. Any of a switch VLAN could be configured as the management VLAN, but not is absolutely necessary configured a voice VLAN. For management VLAN, you only need a switch and a PC, but with a voice VLAN, you need an IP phone additionality. Management VLAN control all VLAN system. It is management VLAN control voice VLAN. Management VLAN is created by software because it is a dynamic VLAN, and for voice VLAN use it protocols.